Follow these steps to remove profile picture on TikTok. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, you're gonna find your profile picture. Now how to remove it? For that, press and hold on it. Now you will be directed to this page. Click on the option change photo. You are able to select any new photo for your TikTok profile picture, but you won't get the option to remove it. So instead, what you can do is select any of the black background profile picture for your TikTok. Click on save. Now I can head back. Now your TikTok profile picture will be blank. So this step is similar to removing profile picture on TikTok. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.